I wanted to give a quick overview of the Argent Data Systems OpenTracker USB. Just got that here in the mail yesterday. Got it all wired up here. I'm working with the GPS Map 60. You want to make sure you got the NMEA output set on that. But I got a third-party cable off eBay for the Garmin unit that goes right into the radio or data port rather on the OpenTracker. And then so basically you get the part here in the middle, the black box. Comes with a USB port on the top, and then this cable here, I've made a couple different cables. This one here for the RJ45 interface on my Motorola units. Added a 3-pin Neutrik connector here for the power that the tracker needs. It's got a 7 to 24 volt input, I believe, so hook a 9 volt. I've got a little 9 volt power pack here that I can hook up to it. Also got a couple different cables, a little 9 volt regulated cigarette lighter adapter for the car, and I've also got another cable here. It's got the DB9 to hook up to the unit, and it's got my same power connector here, as well as a 2-pin. This will work with the Kenwood. I've actually got it set up to work with the Wuxon radio right now for mobile tracking. Use the 9 volt and it works pretty well. Haven't gotten to test the length it'll run on a 9 volt yet, but I'd be interested to see how far that goes. So like I said, the unit comes by itself. All you need is a USB A to B cable. Should be pretty easy to find. Plug that in there. You'll get it loaded up here in the software. Software is very easy to configure the tracker with. Once you get it plugged in, it auto detects it. Much easier than the COM port variety, where you've got to figure out which COM port. If you don't have a COM port, you got a USB to COM port adapter, set that up, and then this is the interface that controls the tracker. Basically, you, similar to a COM port write, you would write all the data to the tracker once you've got it all programmed. It's not really a real-time, although there is some real-time diagnostics you can do in here. Test the LED outputs, monitor your input, your RX level of audio, change the gain, audio output level, things like that. Now on the output for the radio, it is a DB9 connector. There are so there's an option for PTT control, obviously, audio out, audio in, as well as a separate logic relay that allows you to turn a radio on and off, so that, say you're using it for a weather station, you can have the radio turn on and off when you're not using it. So that works pretty well for that. Played around with that a little bit. But other than that, yeah, it writes waypoints to the Garmin unit. The NMEA setup, so seems to work pretty well.